Hello. Thank you for calling the FCC.
The what?
The Foreign Computer Consulting Company. Dr. Sarah. Hello. Can I help you?
Oh yeah, hi. I got a computer.
Hello.
I got a computer from you guys, and I got a problem with my monitor here.
Okay. Would you like some help, or would you like to call back?
Help now would be great, sir.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. Hello.
Yeah, my monitor is not working. It says I turn it on,
Yeah.
and it says no signal input.
Do you have power in your house?
What's it?
Do you have electricity?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
saying no.
I'm sorry?
It says no signal input on the screen. So the screen, yes, I have electric.
Ah, good. And you have a monitor.
Yes, the one I got from you guys.
Good. How do you like it so far?
If it works, maybe I'll like it.
Okay. What can I do for you?
Sir,
Yeah.
get my monitor working, please.
Okay. We help you good time, okay? Alright. First, I need you to check the cable that goes into the rack of the computer. Is it fully pushed in?
Check the what?
The cord, the cable. Is it in the monitor?
The cord?
Yeah. The cable.
Yeah, hold on, I'll check.
The power cord.
Fucking guy. Jesus Christ, I swear.
I'm your fucking guy too. Make sure that it is fully pushed in.
Yes,
to the back
yes.
of the computer.
It's fully pushed in, sir.
Okay. Check the power cable. Are both sides plugged in?
Yes, the screen is lit up. It says no
Excellent.
signal.
Then it's working, right?
No.
No?
It says
Okay.
no signal.
Oh, no signal? Okay.
Would that be internet?
Remove the back cover of the monitor. You will need a Phillips screwdriver.
Do what?
You need to remove the monitor cover. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips.
Take the cover off?
Yeah. Take the cover off the monitor with a Phillips screwdriver.
There's a sticker, sir, there's a sticker that says warranty void if removed.
Okay, keep doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how we work.
Can I get your name, please?
Aknam.
What's that?
Aknam.
Okay, send me an email, please, along with the transaction number, please, for the call.
Oh, okay. All done.
Bunch of bullshit. Remove a fucking cover.
There are 6 screws. Remove them.
I'm working on it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is it working now?
What?
Is it working?
I'm getting the screws out.
Good. All 6 of them.
Yeah, the screws are out. This doesn't come apart. Oh, wait. It kind of comes apart. Should I unplug this?
It's up to you.
Should I unplug this?
It's up to you. You can. It's up to you.
Should I pull the plug?
Sure. Yeah, okay.
Alright, I unplugged this thing then, correct?
That is correct.
Which plug?
Pick one. Anyone.
There's two.
Oh. Cool. Okay, take the one on your right.
I am not an electronic genius, but should I unplug the one going into the wall? Fucking
Let me look in your manual.
Goddamn fucking
Sure, go ahead.
goddamn. I got it, sir.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. There we go. Everything is yeah.
Yeah.
Big fucking help I'm getting here. I see that. Okay, now what, Einstein? Or, sir?
Is it working?
I don't know.
Plug it in.
There's all kind of electrical stuff sticking out of this.
Cut it. Cut it with scissors.
What, sir, that doesn't sound correct.
Uh-huh.
This is not gonna fix this.
Oh, yes, it will. And then you cut these two black ones.
Hold on a second. There's another sticker that says about my warranty.
Uh-huh.
Void.
Remove that sticker and throw it out.
Oh my God. Alright, what do you want me to do?
I want you to cut the red wire and the two black wire.
Oh my God. This is making no sense.
I understand, sir. I do. I am a professional. I know exactly what you do. I know exactly what I do. So do it.
Okay, now what?
Okay? Is it working?
Is it fucking working?
Yeah.
No, it's not plugged into the wall. How can it be working?
Okay. Plug it in.
I'm thinking I may get hurt.
You might. You might.
Plug it in.
Uh-huh.
I have a green light. That's it. Nothing on my screen. You made it worse.
Oh. I understand you are upset. I am